What's your cup size?
I'm probably like in your nightmares or something.
How was your first year at college? Calm the fuck down. Last thing you remember from your crush? I was struggling.
Cause you're thick.
Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube video. My name is Ken, and as you all know, I am Mexican. I'm in Mexico right now, and I've always wanted to try doing Latina makeup on myself because when I was little, I did the 2016 makeup or whatever. I don't know if that's Latina makeup, but it was pretty close. And now I just really want to try it because I see so many girls doing it on TikTok, and it looks so freaking beautiful. So I went to Miss A and I bought some makeup because it was pretty affordable, and I was passing through the mall at my city in Texas and I saw the store and I was like, what the fuck is that? It looks so pretty and it looks like a store I would buy from. So I went in there and I found a lot of makeup that was so affordable. Now I don't know anything about it. I just know it was cheap and I didn't want to spend a lot of my money on makeup that I'm not gonna use anyways, other than using it on this video. So I'm gonna do my Latina makeup while also answering some questions I asked you guys to ask me. Yeah, because it's been a while and I haven't posted. Anyways, I was reading through the bag that they gave me from all the items I bought, and it says, our mission is to give back. Cruelty-free makeup. Damn, that's nice. I hope that's true. $1. Yes, it's only $1. There was a lot of items that were $1. Feel good ingredients. Hope they feel good. They better feel good, Miss A. And everyday new arrivals. Dude, there was a lot of shit in there. Anyways, let me give you guys a little haul. First things first, we have primer. And then we have concealer. We have the foundation. Hopefully this is my color. But if it isn't, I have some bronzer that I bought from there. Then we have this setting powder. It's pretty white. I also bought this lip gloss because I never buy lip gloss, and I know you have to use lip gloss on the Latina makeup. Oh, I also got this lip crayon. I think this is the color they use for their lips. If not, it was darker, but fuck, I probably fucked up. Then these lashes I didn't buy from there. I got it from the dollar store, but my friend bought them for me a long time ago and I never used them, so why not? And then this super glue for the lashes from the store. Ooh, and then for the makeup, I bought this little pad thingy. And then once I take off my makeup, I'm gonna use this little face mask. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off camera, and usually this is not how I do my eyeliner. I saw that some girls do their eyeliner like upward. Anyways, first question, would you ever go bald? I've thought about it actually. Now I'm gonna apply some primer, if I can open this. Next question, favorite food, homemade and from a restaurant. So homemade, fuck. Anything my mom makes, honestly. From a restaurant, Wing Barn. It's only in the Valley, in Texas. I'm not speaking for everyone, but people usually order boneless wings on that restaurant because they're so good. I'm gonna be white as fuck, guys. What has been the biggest thing that's happened to you? I think the biggest thing that's happened to me was that I pretty much stopped drawing at all. I do draw here and there, but not that much. And I kind of gave up on my comics, but I'm not really giving up. I just haven't drawn in a while, and I've kind of been focusing on making jewelry and stuff, which I really enjoy making, by the way. But yeah, it's kind of like a negative thing that's happened to me. Now we're gonna put on some concealer. It's creamy. Next question, favorite friend? You, Chiquita. You're my favorite friend, baby girl. I love you. Last thing you remember from your crush? What crush? You look so pasty in real life. What are your goals right now? I think for my goal right now, I'm just trying to find a job because I want to do something in the summer. I tried to be a server at this restaurant and it just didn't work out. And I also want to join some markets over the summer in my city in Texas to sell some jewelry because look what I made, guys. I started learning how to make cluster bracelets and they're so cute. This one's so cute. This is the first one I ever made, but I updated it because I got like better jump rings. And I think they last more now. Nice. I've been slowly changing to like better like materials so they won't break. Next question, do you use makeup? You tell me. But in reality, I don't do this type of makeup just because after I take it off, I feel so gross. Usually, I just do my eyes, my eyeliner, my eyeshadow, and then my lips. Maybe a little bit of blush here and there, but that's it. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. Have you gone to haunted locations? I don't know if they're haunted, but I went to abandoned locations with some friends and we recorded a video, and I am so excited to edit it out. But my friend, he recorded like on a Canon camera and the footage looks amazing, and I just need him to like send me the footage so I can start editing the video. I feel so gross. Next question, relationship history. I always try to be in a relationship because I kind of missed out in high school. I was never like asked out, only when I was a freshman. And I've always wanted to like be gifted like flowers or like be asked out for prom or like homecoming. But obviously I'm not desperate. Anyways, best toys. What the fuck? Who asked this? Next question. What's your cup size? Hey, calm the fuck down. I think this is my cup size. I like it a lot. It's a really nice cup. Favorite position? Damn, that's kind of hard. My favorite position, I think, is definitely when I'm sitting down. Like, I love sitting down. That's why I respect servers so much more now. Oh no, this looks so cakey. What the fuck? Next question. Let me think about it. No. Next question. How was your first year at college? The first semester at the very beginning, I was struggling a lot to make friends that actually wanted me in the group and who actually valued me and who didn't like go behind my back to plan out events without me. But things happen for a reason. I joined the MMA club 3 weeks into the school and I stayed to the second semester, and that's when I started becoming friends with a lot of the people there. We started hanging out a lot and we went to the pool together, we made events together. Definitely, if you guys want to make friends, join a club. But yeah, I struggled a lot. I would go to my dorm and cry, and I was kind of depressed that first semester. Oh, I look so cakey. Anyways, so cakey.
This is the scariest part because my eyebrows are thick and they're not defined. Oh no. This is the part that I hated the most when I used to do my makeup. Because they're thick! Why are you studying here? So I'm guessing at TimeUCC. I'm studying there because I got a full ride scholarship that pays for everything, so literally everything's free. Go watch my up to no good university video, which will be linked down below or like here, and I talk about like university and the process and everything and what happened. How is dorm life like? At least for me, since I don't have to like share a dorm, I have my own dorm and my own privacy and everything, and I can also have like guests and stuff. So one time I invited my best friend Ariana to come over and like do a sleepover with me, and yeah, I just had my own room and everything. I didn't bother my roommate, and she also had her own like friends like come over to her dorm and like stay over, which I didn't mind. But this upcoming year I'm gonna have a different roommate. Hopefully she's nice. I'm probably like in your nightmares or something, you know? Is there anything you wish you knew before you came here? So I'm guessing university again. Something I wish beforehand was that those YouTube videos giving you tips for university were right. They were right. You're gonna miss home. I thought I wasn't gonna miss back home. I missed my best friend a lot. I remember like texting her once and leaving a voice message crying because I missed her a lot. And just really value your friends from back home. I only have like 3 friends, and those are the 3 people I mainly hang out with when I come back home. Also, if you meet someone and they give you their Instagram because you say, oh, I want to hang out with you, text them that you want to hang out with them. Okay. Ooh. Is there any courses you simply loved? Probably the one I had this a second semester. It was Introduction to Media Production, and I thought it was so fun and I loved it a lot because the professor was like really nice and the assignments were just like to make films. There was lectures where like he taught us like about camera focusing, like camera lenses, camera shots, anything film related, and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really fun, and because I took like film classes in high school, I already knew most of it. Oh no, I have to control my nose now. Yeah, so I have like 4 films that I did from that class ready to be posted on YouTube soon. What made you want to start making videos and skits? I think for the longest time, I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. Ever since I was like little, I loved making videos on my dad's phone. I joined this class in high school called Audio and Video Technology class. For 4 years, it was like a career pathway, right? On my sophomore year, that's when the pandemic hit, the teacher gave us like video assignments to do. So I would start recording on my room and I enjoyed it. And then because of that, I started making YouTube videos that are privated for a good reason. I just thought it was like so negative, so I just like completely privated them. So you guys You'll never see that. Every time my film class like had us make films, I posted them on YouTube, and those were the skits basically. Or let me paint my eyebrows more. I think they need more color. And I'm gonna do it with this palette I bought at Ulta. Because I think this is my shade. Because I feel like they're not dark enough. Oh no, I forgot the fucking mic. I was using a mic this whole time because it's really loud in the back.
Let's powder. Oh, it comes with this little powder thingy. Cruelty free, guys. Cruelty free. Okay, what the fuck? It looks much better. It looks less cakey. What kind of movies do you want to direct? So I want to direct that same type of movies I like to watch, and that is fantasy, action, romance. Yeah, pretty much. It looks better. Well, it's still cakey, but it looks better. Next question. What camera do you use to film your videos? Or do you plan to buy one eventually? The camera I use is just my phone and a tripod. I'm kind of exposed. Ever since I saw my friend Marco use his Canon camera, I've been wanting one. So I think with this one, I just outline the outside of my lips. Oh no, it's not dark enough. And what the heck? It's like pink. This is not the color I was expecting. I need a different color to outline. Damn, I do look like that filter. Comparison. Actually, I'm gonna use this color to outline my lips. It looks so fucking weird. Looks like my lips are botched. I might be from Spanish descent actually. Like, I don't even know. Like, kind of vibing with it. Ooh, this one's so pretty. It's like glittery. Any tips for filmmaking? If you want to make a video or whatever, you want to make a YouTube video, you want to make a film, you want to make a show, whatever, just start. All you need is your phone, literally. Oh my god, it smells so good. And don't make excuses. They're like, oh, I don't have a budget, I don't have money, I don't have the perfect camera, I don't have this microphone, this and that. Stop making excuses. Literally just do it. Think of every film you do or every video you do as a pilot. But that's how I think about every film and video I make. It's a pilot. I've never tried on lashes before. Oh fuck. It doesn't look good. I think I'm gonna take them off. They're so uncomfortable and so itchy. What's your favorite jiu-jitsu move? It's the mounted triangle. And that's it for the questions. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna wear a Latina inspired outfit. Hopefully I have something because I threw all my Latina clothes away when I was in high school. Because I wanted to be a neat girl. So what are we thinking? I definitely don't have the curves, but this is what a Latina usually wears. It's just some flared jeans and basic top. Damn, I look like my high school freshman self. This is weird. Kind of want everyone's reaction, so... America! What do you think?
Actually,
My makeup.
oh, your eyebrows are nice.
I know, but it looks good, no?
Yeah, I think it looks good. I still like your eyebrows.
Now my mom's reaction. She's definitely gonna love this. She likes it when I dress like this. Oh. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. You're looking like a torta stylist. And you'll see me in the next video. Bye guys!